Hello everyone! I hope you're doing great. I am your friend, Rocio Carreon, and today we will talk about verb to be, so pay close attention. Subject pronouns are the words we use to replace the subject, the person or thing doing the action in a sentence. I refers to the speaker or yourself. You, the person you're talking to. He, a boy or man. She, a girl or woman. It, a thing, animal, or idea. We, the speaker and at least one more person. They, a group of people, animals, or things. Now, let's see the verb to be in present tense. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. In the past tense, the verb to be changes like this. It was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. They were. In the present perfect tense, we use have been or has been. I have been. You have been. He has been. She has been. It has been. We have been. They have been. Finally, let's talk about the future. We use will for everyone. I will be. You will be. He will be. She will be. It will be. We will be. They will be. Great job! Now you know how to use the verb to be in present, past, perfect, and future tenses. Keep practicing and you'll get better every day. I really hope you liked this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have fun!